We're gonna take this regular pen and turn it into this. And welcome to my channel. In today's video, before I get started, I just want to express my gratitude and thank you for supporting my channel. I have reached my next milestone of 1,000 subscribers. With 1,000 subscribers, it's definitely a giveaway time. So stay tuned for the end of the video and I will give you the details on how to enter for the giveaway. For now, this is today's DIY. We're gonna take this regular pen and turn it into this. All right, guys, let's get started. And there is your Bling pen. How fun is it to write with this? Super cute. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and now it's time to give you the instructions on how to enter for the giveaway. Let me tell you first what the giveaway is. Remember the pens that we just did? I'm not gonna give away just one of these pens. I'm not gonna give away just 2 of these pens. I'm going to give away 8 of these pens, and they come in 4 different colors. So we've got 2 reds. The reds kind of look like candy canes. We've got 2 blacks. We've got 2 greens, and we've got the 2 blues. And I'm so excited to give these away to you guys. I hope you like them. Entering for this video is super easy. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and just leave me a comment below of what you like about my channel. And that's it. The winners will be announced on June 16th. So good luck everybody, and thank you again so much for your support. I love you guys. Bye.